Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. Y'all remember on the video? I don't know when this video will come out. And I bought me a little called empanada press, large dough press. And I told her I'm gonna make some empanadas, which I made empanadas before I bought this. But I'm gonna make some fried. I'm not gonna eat fry them, y'all. I'm gonna bake them. Some baked apple pies, mini apple pies. Now what I got here, this is gonna be so quick, y'all. This is some apple pie filling you get in the can. All I do, when I do this, I put a little bit more brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little vanilla, and kind of doctor it up. I chop it up in little pieces. And that's what you see here. Because you know in the can, it comes in slices. So here, I just got it chopped up in little pieces where I can make little mini pies with it. And like I said, I put a little brown sugar in there, a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, vanilla, and this is what you get. And also to make this easier, hold on y'all, just a second. Also to make this a little easier, I got me some pre-made pie crust rounds. Okay y'all, this is an easy go-to dessert y'all. If you want to do this at home, get you some pie filling. And some ready-made rolled pie crust like this. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do here. We're gonna see how many I'm gonna make out of here, y'all. See how many we're gonna get out of this bad boy. How many we're gonna get out of here, y'all. I'm gonna kind of make a circle with this little thing here. It's just the right amount of I think I'm gonna get maybe 4 out of here, huh? 4 big old pies. Get another one out of here. Oh yeah, we got to do something. I'm gonna do a couple here, and I'm gonna step off and finish the rest here. Let me get my rolling pin here, y'all. I just want to see how this contraption work. Move that out of the way. Roll this out again. Let's see, might be 2 or 3 pies that I'll make out of here. It's not really thin here, y'all. Of course, like I say, y'all definitely can make your own pie dough. But why do that when you can get it already made? Okay, we're gonna put this one on here. Yeah, we're gonna get probably about 5 out of one package. You know, one package is 2 rolls. So I think I'm gonna get about 5 out of here, which is perfect for me. Okay, that over there on the side. Now, I'm gonna put a little, I like to put a little flour on the contraption there. Get all this extra flour off of here. Put it on here like this. Now we're gonna put our dough. Push this down here. I like to put a little, y'all know I like to put a little egg wash around the outside edges. That way when I push it down, it's gonna seal the edges. So put a little egg wash on there. We're gonna go inside here with the filling. Try not to overfill it. A little bit more here. And you just go over just like this, push it down till it breaks, and voila! Put that thing back in there. Get back in there. I done broke my thing, y'all already. That's what happens when you don't want to push it too far down. You'll definitely snap this thing. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back here. Hold on. All right, y'all. We back here. I just popped this thing back in there. Okay. Look at that. How pretty those are, y'all. Look at that pretty it makes that. So let me do another one here. Like I said, I think I'm going to get like 5 pies out of here. Open this thing up. Put a little flour on the edge here. That in there. A little egg wash on the outside. All right, we're gonna go inside here. Like I said, don't put too much filling in it. You want enough to fill it, but don't fill it too much. Push it over right here. Mash it down there. There we go. Voila. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So I'm going to step off here, do a couple of more of these, get them all, these are, look at that, y'all. Gonna be some, like McDonald's fried pies, huh? Nice little contraption here. So anyway, y'all, we're going to be back, get the rest of them done, and we're going to come back, bake them up, and see how they come out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Got the little contraption here, y'all. And one thing about this thing, it's not metal. The one we had at my job was metal. You could press down pretty hard on it. But this thing is plastic, so you gotta be very careful. As you saw, when you press down too hard, it's gonna snap this thing. I mean, you can snap it right in place, but if you snap it enough, it ain't gonna go back in place, huh? So yeah, let me move this filling out of the way. Now, all I'm gonna do to y'all now, I'm gonna brush a little egg wash on here and give it a nice shine when it come out the oven. And this is pie dough, of course, y'all. And I'm just kind of curious how this gonna look when it comes out the oven. 350 degrees, y'all. It's gonna take about 15-20 minutes on this, maybe a little longer. So yeah, so old school baked apple pies, y'all. I guess you can fry them too. We're gonna do them the healthy way. We're gonna bake them. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. And you know, I in no way I'm just an attempt to even try to bite into these. That is committing oral suicide, right? Oral suicide. So yeah, they come out good. Sealed it pretty good. A little crack that I had, that was my fault. And kind of busted out the side. But other than that, y'all, these things come absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off, let them cool down, of course. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to see how they taste. Of course, they're going to be good. They got the nice flaky crust. The filling I doctored up. So there's only one way to find out the taste test. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay. Let me get this small one right here in the back, y'all. Look at these here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those. Nice baked mini apple pies here. This little mini one here right off the back here. Okay, let's break this bad boy in half. Oh yeah. How hot the filling's hot in there. Yeah, smoke coming out of there. Flaky crust. And I'll let these cool about 20 minutes, y'all. So here we go here. There we go. Look. Very good. What's that? Nice bacon crust. Nice filling. Better than McDonald's. Better than McDonald's, y'all. Okay. Ain't go wrong. Eat some ice cream with that. I don't eat ice cream with pie, but that's in many pies. You can use peach, but I think it sealed it pretty good. Like I say on the little thing, you need to make sure you don't push down too hard on it. But it does its job. I mean, I wish they had it one a little smaller. But these, I like the little mini ones, little smaller ones. But other than that, it did its little job. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.